Okay, guys, we got a 2015 Lincoln MKZ 2.0. This is a turbo, as you can see right there. We got a code for oxygen sensor bank 1, sensor 1. We're gonna order the original sensor motorcraft, and we're gonna drop that sensor in on this baby, and then we're gonna reset the light. So at the end of the job, make sure you reset the light. Just put a scan tool on and just reset it, and after that, you're good to go. So we did probably reset the light and did give it a chance that maybe it was a glitch or so. But anyways, it's gotta go. Thank you for continue watching my video, and let's get under the hood of this vehicle and get ourselves a new sensor. So got the sensor coming in, but our oxygen sensor is all the way down there, all the way down here. It's gonna be hard to see, but you can fish it out somehow, some way. You can see it clearly from the side here. The sensor connector comes over here to this side, right to this side, right here. This guy right here. So we're gonna pretty much have to disconnect the sensor first and put our tool on. Okay, it's hard for the camera to see, but let's take the camera in there. Let's take the camera in there to show you guys the bank 1, sensor 1 on this turbo. There it is. Okay, I can't even put the light on this guy. Right there, it's sitting right over there. Right there, as you can see right there, that's the sensor. Anyways, it's all gonna be from up here. So what I'm gonna do is disconnect my sensor from right over here. And then we're gonna put a tool on right from the top over here. So this is the sensor we ordered, Motorcraft, part number DY1182. And there's a whole bunch of other numbers if you guys need. And inside here you're gonna have a sensor that looks something like this. So pretty much this is what the sensor looked like. It's a small little wires, and there it is. This is what it looked like. So we're gonna take this baby and put it onto the vehicle. Okay, so what I did was I pulled this guy off right there. So I'm gonna squeeze this tab, and we should be able to disconnect this connector. Let's see if I can do it with one hand, which is not possible. So squeeze this and pull the connector. So pretty much with both hands, squeeze one and pull it with the other one. I pre-did it, and this baby should just disconnect just like that. And we're gonna put a tool onto that sensor, which is all the way down there. Now we can follow the lead and get the sensor off. So we got a couple of tools. This is a 22 millimeter 7x8. In other words, using this little swivel on the top, we're going to use this long extension to attach it so we can reach back there. But let's see if I can do it with one hand, which I doubt. Anyways, what we're going to do is, I'm going to try. Oh yeah, I got it from right here. Okay. Let's see. The heater pipes are kind of bothering me, but it's all good. Okay, so this socket is no good for that. Let's see. What am I doing wrong here? Okay, so this didn't fit on my sensor. The reason is because I believe because of this top here, or the bore here. So we're gonna switch up a socket. The socket. Now we got a wider bore, and it's the same size, 7x8. Only thing is, it's just a wider bore here, so it can slip right through here, just like that. Anyways, let's get this job done. Our spark plug socket, we got our sensor sitting over there, and I'm a short little guy that can't even see down here, and I can't even get my camera down there. But anyway, right from the side here I can see the whole thing. Where are you, Mr. Sensor? Okay, once I get this on to the sensor, I'm gonna let you guys see it firsthand. My tool is sitting right on the sensor, and now we just have to turn it. So, got me a long leverage ratchet here. I'm gonna turn it counterclockwise. There you go. It's loose. Okay, now I should be able to fish it with the hand. Okay, let's see what I can do here with the hand. It's pretty loose. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my hand in there, and I'm gonna turn, The sensor is hot, so be careful. Okay, sensor is kind of hot. I'm gonna let it cool off a bit, or I might just use the socket to turn. So all from here, okay? It's a recipe of disaster here. You can probably see it back on my head. I'm gonna need the light. There it is. There it is, it's turning. And it's gonna come out in a few seconds, a few more turns. Okay, here it comes. Here it comes. So you guys can see, I know it's dark, but here it is. There's your sensor. Looks all burnt up. It's gotta go. Time to put in a new sensor. Okay, got my sensor here. So what I want to do is I want to take my light down here, another one light, so you guys can see back of my head at least. So we got this sensor. Make sure it's the same sensor. The connector looks the same and everything. Let me go get the old one. Okay, sometimes you can just tell the difference in the sensor just by the holes and the bores and the design of it. Anyways, this is the original sensor. It looks the same. Make sure the connector is the same. Okay, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my hand. I'm gonna slip my head back here so I can see. So all you need to do is get this sensor on, and you need to turn. Make sure you catch the threads. It's coming pretty good. Let me switch up my hands. All right, there it is. Got it. Snugged all the way. A little bit more. So I captured the threads, got them all the way, and now we're gonna put the tool on. Okay, so I'm sorry that you only see back of my head, because over here I already showed you where the sensor is, how you're gonna get this on, and it is in a crappy spot, but not so hard to work on. At least you guys know where it's at and how to get to it. Got that on. I'm gonna put this extension on one more time, and we're gonna lock the sensor up. So do not have a torque spec, so you just want to go by your insect here. And is my socket on? Because I feel like it's on it, but there you go. Nice and tight. Bada bing, bada boom. Let me pull out my socket, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our connector. Where did the connector go? There it is. We're gonna connect it. Make sure you route it properly. Simply just come straight up, and you're gonna connect your sensor. It should click. You should feel it click. There you go. And attach the harness to the bracket here, and it's good to go. Bada bing, bada boom. Thank you for watching my video, guys. After that, reset your light, and you're all done and set to go. There's your new sensor in there.